What's up, guys? Today we are here with another device. It's called Samsung M31. So let's see how this device is. Let's open this. So let's see what's this phone about. Oh my god, look at this beauty. So hard. Oh my god. This is the red. This is the Infinity U display of Samsung. Look at this. This is red. This color is red. As the 64 megapixel, if you guys can see. So let's on this beauty first. Powered by Android as always. So while it's booting, let's see what's inside the box. It's Type-C charger. It comes with the normal cheap, this is the cheap Samsung earbuds that they are coming with all their phones nowadays. And this has the fast charging adapter as well. Alright, so this is all basically what's inside the box. So let's go and see how this 64 megapixel, the new camera that Samsung has in this device, works. Oh my god, look at that display of this phone. Look at that. So we'll go to the settings and let me tell you more about the software. Talking about the RAM, yes, inbuilt of 6 GB RAM, and for this phone we have like the 128 GB ROM. And basically 6 GB RAM will be amazing for the gamers, especially for games like PUBG. There will be no lagging or anything like that, it's guaranteed. And we're gonna download PUBG later, and let's see how that works in this phone. The main thing about this phone, it is Android, and let's see what's the Android that Samsung put on this thing. It's the Android 10 as always. It comes with the Android 10. So basically nowadays all the phones are inbuilt Android 10. Basically phone comes as a 64 megapixel camera. That's the basic 64 megapixel plus additional 8 megapixel and two 5MPs included in this phone that's what Samsung's saying, with the real camera resolutions. So it has an autofocus as well. So let's see how that camera works. It's always asking for me some stuff. So I already have something over here. So let's check it out. Okay, that's the normal stuff. Let's see the live focus in this. Oh man. You will be seeing all these photos down below. If you click it, it will show you the stuff. And video also has good. So when it comes to the battery, it is a 6000 mAh. Oh my god, that's a huge amount. It's basically, it's good for gamers like us. And basically we are all play PUBG nowadays due to this lockdown. So we are too much into games nowadays. and it has a 21 hours. When you are connected to the internet, it has a 21 hours, up to 21 hours. That's what Samsung claim. And the video playback is like another 26 up to 26 hours. That's what also they were saying. So if you're having normal Wi-Fi things, they were saying it's like 21 hours maximum. So that's basically about the battery, guys. And the audio and video, it's a full HD and ultra 4K HD, supporting all those kind of stuff. So as always, the fingerprint scanner comes at the back. So it's purely designed, it's a good design by Samsung, and it's getting thinner whatever the more new models comes up. So let's talk about the SIM, the dual SIM and the memory slot. It comes with two nano SIM and SD card, expandable up to 512 GB. So see, that's it, guys. And it's a beautiful design that Samsung kept over there with the SIM card slot, with having a, guys, the color is kind of changing. It comes in the black, and it's a good paint job that they did in this phone. Let's see the external of this phone. Okay, this has a noise cancellation mic over here, and volume up button, volume down button over here, and a beautiful power button. And at the bottom, alright, it's a Type-C charger. It has a mic over here and a speaker, pretty loud. Okay, let's see the speaker quality. And it comes with a 3.5mm jack. When you buy a phone, okay, you have like some other headphones that you want to use, but some of the phones nowadays, it won't come with a 3.5mm jack, but still this one is having a 3.5mm jack. Guys, whatever you give to get this phone, please get it. It's a good stuff that we have right now with us. So let's see the sound of this phone now. Alright, let's go to ringtone. Alright. So whether this is on full volume. Yes, guys. So let's check some YouTube videos. Let's see a 4K video, Ultra HD video in this phone. Okay, full screen. See the clarity of that beast. Samsung Full HD AMOLED display, 6.4 inches. Perfectly sounds. The perfection at its best. This is the beautiful M31 that we have. So in Kuwait, if you want to get this stuff, if you want to get this device, kindly contact Mr. Jalil. We already put the description down below this video, and he can give you some good deals, not only M31 or whichever latest phones that are available in Kuwait. You can always contact Jalil. It's Comtone Mobiles, Maqbula. So let's see. Jalil can give you good deals, and I fully recommend you guys, even though if you are getting a new phone or whatever it is, just contact Mr. Jalil in Comtone.